Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a plan with me for November 25th to December 1st. I'm going to be using a printable kit called Winter Stroll from Paper Crown Planner. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I love Paper Crown Planner. I did purchase this kit last year and I did use it last year as well, so this is a reprint for me. But that is the great thing about printable kits. You can just use them as many times as you want. It is such a cost-effective way to plan. Paper Crown Planner does have a lot of sales, especially $2 Tuesday. If you're thinking of getting into printables, that is the best way to do it. So I'm going to start off like I normally do by laying down the date covers and the washi tape. I initially thought that I would use the date numbers that came with the kit, but then I decided that, you know what, it's basically holiday season now, so why not keep using foil? Because this kit is a little bit smaller, it's going to allow me to use a lot of stickers that I have in my stash. Not that I want to waste my foil stickers, especially the date ones, but I do really like how they look. And I did actually figure out how to make my own, so I don't feel like it's a waste on this kit, even though it does come with numbers. What I also wanted to do this week was change up how I do my layout. I decided that I would do the checkboxes on the bottom. I'm going to keep the glitter headers and the decorative stickers in the middle because I do really like how that looks. But I'm going to go in and put my half boxes or quarter boxes with my appointments or important things to remember on the top this time. I purchased these glitter headers in 3 colors about a year ago. I do save them for kits that I want to jazz up a little bit, and this is perfect for this kit because they don't actually come with any glitter headers. What I like about these is that it is real, but it's not thick and chunky like Crafter's glitter is. It's still flat and smooth, so it'll sit nicely when I actually close my planner. Say so far I'm really happy with how the glitter headers are looking with this kit. I find it quite beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my half boxes, my quarter boxes at the top of the page. I'm not sure if I'll keep doing it this way or if it's something that I'm going to change back to how I regularly do it next week. So far I'm liking it in the first couple of days of the week, but we'll see how it goes for the rest of the week. Along with using functional stickers from my stash, I did go ahead and use some of the ones that came in this kit. There weren't too many, but the quality of the image was really good, and I am finding that some of them are not printing very well, or in fact not cutting very well, because I do use a Cricut for these kits that are intended for silhouette. The winter months are really dry where I live, and it's so important for me to drink enough water, especially now that I'm getting older. And so I wanted to put these water trackers here. I like how they are individual per day to remind me to drink water. Even if I don't drink this much, at least something is better than nothing. As usual, my habit tracker for my sidebar is going to be used to track my medication. I did use a silver foil one as well as a silver foil little medication jar. Another fact about me is that I actually really enjoy knitting, and I got these new knitting stickers from Planning Roses a couple of weeks ago. I do still have some other stickers for knitting, but I've had them for so long I was just getting tired of them, so I wanted these new ones. Now that I know that making YouTube videos is something that I really enjoy, I want to try and create a schedule for myself to have particular days when I film, when I edit, when I upload. I already have so much going on in my life, so I'm not going to be too hard on myself. If I do miss a day or fall behind schedule, I'm going to be okay with it, but I would like to be more consistent, so I did buy some foil stickers as well to just put it in my planner and make it look nice. My husband is writing a really big exam on Friday, so for the last couple of months he's been pretty busy studying. So when the exam is over, I wanted to make sure that we had some time to spend together, and my in-laws have been away this week, so we thought Saturday would be the perfect day for that. So this is the final spread. I hope you guys all enjoyed this Plan With Me video today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!